When the category is face, you bitches ain't in the race.
Okay. I just want to know. This is what it's my plate. A regular plate, got the Hawaiian roll, 3 pieces of chicken, spaghetti, and where's the hot sauce? I'm gonna turn the light. Double homicide. Okay, so I'm checking in with y'all. It's like 7 o'clock, and I'm eating leftovers. I have chicken in here. It's cold chicken. Comment if you like your chicken warmed up, like leftover chicken, if you like it warmed up or cold. I like mine's cold. I'm eating the Red Bull because I don't need to take a nap. I need to stay up. And like right now, it's kind of a good time for me to take a nap because Legend just woke up and he in his room eating and chilling. I had like 3 of these today. These are so fucking good, you guys. And I'm excited to open this shirt. It's from, where's it from? JC Mochas. I hope that's how you say it. Oh my gosh. I was looking like it. They didn't even tell me that they shipped it. No. The card that they sent. And this is the shirt. It's just a little wrap shirt. I can't really show y'all what it is because you could wrap it multiple ways. I've been into these a lot. I have a black one and I have a white one. And then this one you could wrap hella different ways. But look, they have their little clothing tags. But yeah, I also have kind of big breasts. I'm a double D from Savage. Almost my whole like underwear and bras and all that stuff. Almost everything is from Savage X Fenty. I got a lime green set. And then this set. And yeah, but that's it for now. I'm gonna eat real quick and then probably holla at y'all later.
And then wipe your side with the belly.
Okay, it's recording. Say hi.
Hey. I know it's nice by Hollywood.
Right.
It's the nail class for me.
Y'all can put your Instagrams. I ain't got no subscribers, but
okay,
one
my
day.
Instagram is Snatched by Hollywood.
Yep.
We don't have an Instagram.
She's secretive.
Yeah, but we at the nail class, you guys.
Right.
I'm gonna show them how mine's coming out.
Yes, and her shit looks good as the fuck. It's the shape for me.
I love the quality on the camera. Look at it.
I know I need to get one of those cameras. Look at something like this.
Oh wait, got to zoom in. It's marble.
Period. Big her.
Let's see.
Big her.
Wow. Yeah, I really don't know how to work the camera. This is crazy. Why am I upside down? See? Look at it.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
I've been having a channel for like 5 years. I got old videos on there, but I haven't posted in like three years or something like that. I want to show them your room.
You have the Starbucks.
Dang.
No. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. Just oh, it's not a. You just go, and then it's like a room all the way in the back. Pink everything.
Dang, what was you doing? You in the basket? Too comfortable? Yeah. What's kind of cute? Presentation? Cute. So cute. Cute stuff. This is crazy. This one that I got. Well, I usually just get like kid Nike stuff out of here. And then, oh, we in Burlington, not Ross. Let me put up. I like where this is made, like the cuts. This is cute. Yeah. Whew. Real good at fish. Got my body in my mind, right? $7. I don't think that's enough right now. You getting two? Yeah, one for sure. Damn, not for me? He That's crazy. You want one? No. I like these. Hey y'all, my nails look so
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these stuff that's crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Hearing they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Gerber, I ain't asking. They say they love my ass in 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't safe. still, West Coast still. Can you feel it? Dirty, can y'all really feel me? Well, East Coast still. Say what? West Coast still, dirty, can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast still, West Coast still.
I've been watching you like a hawk in the sky. You are my bread. Boy, I promise you, if we keep moving this, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up. Probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's true. I've been holding back this year.
Inside your trunk. I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these stuff that's crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy.
So this holding the camera thing is not gonna work. But I'm not gonna show y'all. Excuse the garbage bag, it's back there, okay? It's recycled, I gotta take it out. But I'm not gonna show y'all. I'm gonna try not to show y'all. But I'm having a real bad hair day. Real bad hair day. Like my lace. It ain't even my lace though, it's my cap. You can see my cap underneath. And it's bugging me. I tried to put some black on it, but and I really don't care because I know I could do hair. So it's not phasing me. And it's really not bad. Let me see. It's a little gray up there too. But anyways, look, like I said, I know I could do hair, so it's not phasing me. But anyways, I want to tell y'all that. Look at me. Okay, I want to tell y'all that what am I saying? Fuck. I want to tell you guys that no, I came on here because I wanted to tell you guys that I'm finna go tour a gym because I finally found a gym that has a daycare. Like I could go work out and like drop legend off. Like, baby, this body right here, and just give me a few weeks because I have Puerto Rico in a month. Baby, I'm gonna go snatched. Watch, I promise you. Bitch, I'm gonna go snatched. Watch. Anywho, legend back there, he keep taking off his fucking clothes. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and get up out of here. But we're gonna go tour the gym real quick and then we're going to I Love Sugar. I'm finna go get some alcohol. I've been wanting to drink so bad. When I go to Puerto Rico, I'm getting drunk. Watch, you guys, I'm getting drunk. But anyways, yeah, that's what we're finna do right now. And yeah, other than my fucking lace, I look real cute. Like, let me see. Excuse that. But also, last vlog I edited it. I haven't posted it yet, but I noticed that I wasn't talking to you guys a lot. Like I wasn't telling you what we were about to do, and like it's kind of confusing. But I promise I'm gonna do better. See, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm probably not gonna let y'all know when I get there, but I'm gonna show y'all a little bit if I can.
Looking good and standing tall. Be lying, blind like in pictures off your wall.